We'll guide you through how to transfer photos and videos from a Samsung to a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do because then you can go and have the photos and videos on the Mac and you can edit them, share them, and store them on there. So I've got a few in my gallery that I want to go and do this with. I can come into my recents and here they are at the top here. Go and tap and hold on them and you're going to go and select them. You want to go down to the bottom and find the option for share. Shortly, the share menu is going to go and appear. Wait for it to load. And at the bottom, you need to go and find the option for drive and tap there. This will open up. So you're going to go and see the account you're going to go and be using. Note that mine is Rob Tucker Videos and you can press location and on your drive, you can choose where. So you can press my drive in the top and press the new folder button and you can go and name this what you want. I name it Mac and we'll go and press create and then press select. And you can press upload in the top right and wait. When it's complete, come onto your Mac and open a web browser. I use Safari and I'm already on Google. Make sure you're using the same Google account. You can see I am Rob Tucker Videos. You can sign in there though. Press Google Apps in the top right and go and press Drive. Come to My Drive over to the left and go and find the folder that we created, Mac. You can click on it and here they are. If we click on the folder at the top, we can then go and download it. You can view your downloads in the top right or in your Finder. We'll double click on it and then here are the photos and videos.